We're going for a great drive in our new driveway. Oh my goodness. What's up, guys? We're back.
We're in the back of
It's been days. It's been like 2 days. My channel right now. Look at it. It's been 2 years, guys. Tell us why it's been back 2 years. Tell me why it's back 2 years.
Well, it's that we used to, when we were little boys, or a couple of years ago,
Yeah.
that we would used to sleep in the back.
And our dad let us to sleep. He
would bring us snacks, like chips.
At night. So at night, my dad used to sleep on the front of the car, and my brother and I we used to sleep with the blankets
In the back.
And then now we're chilling in because we sleep over. We already slept overnight in the car. We already slept overnight for the past 3 years. Man, this is so cool. It's been years. I have grandpa. This is grandpa. Mommy and then dad. They're driving. One of them has to drive.
Oh, God.
Hope not a mystery, Dad.
Ya, porque lo acelera, pues lo revoluciona más.
So they're English and Spanish. English and Spanish, right, bro? English and Spanish. Oh, wait. Okay, so check me out. Hello.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, that was from the art.
Did you hear? Bro, did you hear that?
What is it? It was from the radio.
I know. I heard
It was from the radio. That was from the radio. We have a window. It's like we had a stats card.
Oh my God, that was so funny.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, like,
So guys, as you guys know soon, I'm getting a new phone soon. Check this out. So my brother's gonna check right now, and look phone we're gonna check. All right, since we're bored, let's check real quick. So we have my laptop here, and we're gonna show you.
child endangerment.
So my brother has a question. Him and I are gonna show this.
We have a phone case with the Galaxy Note 9.
Now I'm getting the Galaxy Note 9, the model that I wanted, that I also want series. And guess what? I got the new phone. It's gonna be awesome.
Que venden, que están vendiendo constante.
So you got here. Hold
This
this.
is-
Here, hold this.
Tendrán otro dealer y ahí los van intercambiando.
Wait, I'll hold my drink as well.
Oh.
No, I only have to hold one
Hold on,
hand.
right there. So you guys want me to get a new phone? Let's do it at the after the road trip. We should test it out if my game works. Cause look up right now.
We're driving in the back
Alright.
of the car.
Now let's see what my brother has to say.
No, it's very cool driving in the back. Ah!
If you push. Oh. Oh my gosh, you okay?
Wait, put the balls in the.
Where?
Look, you see that?
Oh, there's a hole there?
No.
I'm not sure. Hold on. Can you hold it for a second? Here, hold the camera real quick. Just film me. Right now, just film me. Hold 2 hands. Yeah, I can.
Dani, si no vamos
It's
a
getting
tu
so cold.
trabajo.
Hold
Hold
it.
with one hand.
Okay, good thing it's not cold. Oh, good thing it doesn't go through in the hole.
Aquí en esta
So that balls is right there. Our dad is driving.
We're in the back of a car.
Yes, we're in the back of the car because we can't make room because we haven't.
yo otra, papi.
Check out my brother's shirt. A dab.
Es cierto.
Dabbing pin.
Here, it's like a wobbly. Hold, wait. Actually, hold 2 shirt.
Este tipo de
So you guys want to get
camionetas
this cool shirt? Go to any store.
A ver,
We're just gonna think so weird. I'm just gonna see 2 boys in the car.
Oh yeah,
Oh my
like
God.
they're gonna like stare us in the mirror, like stare us in the in the window.
sí salen buenos.
Mommy, we're good. Ande? We're good.
We're good. Imagine if we say hello to them. Imagine we say hello to them.
Whoa!
Yeah, hold my knees. Hold my knees.
It hurts.
Actually, hold my knees. No. That's right there.
Maltratan sus carros.
Actually, you should drink it because it's gonna spill. So drink it real quick. You should hydrate yourself. Oh my god, it's so good. We went to Doubles for like a family lunch. our mom asked us what should we name to this car. So comment down below. Comment down below what you think what this car name is.
Yeah, we need to name this car.
This car is
Nice. It was created in the 1990s. 99.
1999. Alright, now we can ask them. Check this out, guys. We used to been to that store.
Bro, look, Mama's car.
Oh no, that's worse. But look at
We
this.
shall stay here.
We shall stay here. Oh my gosh.
$5.
$5.
Puppy, can we
$5. Guys, look, it's Sprint. What's up, Sprint? How you doing today, Sprint?
No, pues así está bien levantada. Así.
Say hello to Sprint.
Hello, Sprint.
We've been seeing you for a while. It's been years now. I zoomed it.
If you get to the lay down, I need to close the back window then, okay?
Okay. Alright, so what you have to say? What you have to say? What you have to say, Andrew?
This is awesome.
Oh my gosh, we have a bunch of room now. Because it's cramped in here a little bit.
Yeah, more room.
Actually, our bed is hurting. Oh.
Yeah, open those windows on the
A little bit.
side.
Because it's kind of
Alright,
low.
that's fine.
That's fine. Alright. Look at you right now. Are you sweat? The camera doesn't
Not
see.
even sweat.
Oh guys, you guys know this? That at night, you can turn on the switches.
Oh my god.
We didn't answer that.
Oh, look, this is comfy.
It's comfy. Yeah. One thing, guys. You know what's comfy? We know we should bring up hello. Imagine. You guys know that
Go
the
to the
switch.
Are you guys gonna go to the bank? Alright.
Alright. As you guys know that we have.
Okay, babe. Bye, mommy.
Bye, mom. Bye, mom. As you guys know that we have a light switch that it turns on.
We
And
have
on.
2 light switches.
Yeah, one is this one
One is
that
this
doesn't turn on. This one is on.
one. Yeah, this one turns on.
It has to like ignite. But right now,
Is that the radio?
Yeah.
what? Oh my god, okay. Oh, my you okay, brother? Oh my gosh, that hurts. Oh, we're moving. Okay, I stay on the floor. Oh my gosh, you okay, Andrew?
This is pretty comfy.
Yeah, they're comfy. Look at this. Oh my gosh, we have some. Our dad's radio works. So
This is pretty. I mean, this is hard, but it's comfy.
it's comfy, yeah.
I mean, it would be better with a pillow, but.
Yeah, since we didn't bring it, we forgot to bring it. That's so funny. Oh gosh. Okay, Andrew.
Oh my god.
You okay? You okay, Andrew? You almost
I'm okay.
Only because our dash truck moves. Only because our dash truck moves. All because our dad stopped the truck. And then once the truck moved, you land on me. You land on me. What the heck?
All that. You
Yeah.
found my arm.
Yeah. So yeah, we're doing fine right Whoa. What was that? No, it was a good button. Okay, whoa. Oh wow, I was scared. We thought it was like a whoa. I was scared. Bro, you know what I was scared about? We was like a roller coaster when I rode down like that.
Look, we're on the bridge.
Under the bridge. Whoa. Oh my god. It doesn't stop the car again. It doesn't stop the car again. It doesn't stop the car again.
I think we're fine.
We're fine? Oh, it's the car. Oh, the second roof. The second tunnel. Yeah, tunnels.
Tunnel for days.
Tunnel for days.
There we go.
These windows, this one, it turns on, and this one on as well.
Love you, puppy.
Yes, thank you, Dad. Alright guys, we're chilling right now. So what do you think about this car?
It's good.
It's good. Once again! Once again! Oh my gosh, you should get down. Are you sure you're gonna be okay?
I think so.
Because it's wobbling all the time.
Hey, remember, no joking around.
This car is awesome, only because it keeps. So what do you think, bro, of this car? What do you think about this car?
It's pretty good.
But the only thing is hurting us right now is because this car is moving. So I'm gonna hold you. I don't want to turn myself to your.
You don't want to be there.
Yeah, I don't want to hit you down. I'm just holding. I'm holding the window so that way you can.
I'm getting hit by the sun.
Hit by the sun. Oh, that's why you shouldn't.
But if I stand up still, I could hit the sun.
Yeah, you
I like laying down.
yeah, but it's kind of like that.
It is kind of hard, but it's kind of comfortable.
Because every time I move, it's because it keeps landing on you. But anyway, it's kind of cool, right?
We'll see from the top.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a set. I'm not recording, I'm just looking.
Yeah.
So we
Okay.
have a 7-Eleven. Oh, I see you.
Yes.
And
So you look at the camera and it's taking you look.
you see anything over here?
Oh. When we're talking, it's just like kind of. Oh, speed bumps. Lots of speed bumps a little
Look,
bit.
I'll just put it right here.
Okay.
We got a front view. And if it sees, look!
Oh well, is you okay? Alright. This man looks kind of shaky because every time if you shake you again, it will land your head. What happens if you speed bumps again? It'll land your head. What happens if you speed bump comes to your head again? Okay.
I don't even know.
Because the speed bumps, if you go so
Okay,
fast.
where are we going?
Oh, I guess.
Where are we going?
Where are we going now? You okay, Andrew?
Yeah.
He's like, oh god, that's why you stop it.
Well, like,
What happened to So my dad found a radio that it turns on well. Yeah. Wake up. Can I answer a question? Is your back scratching you? No? Because guess what? My bottom is scratching right now.
my next legit stretch button.
Or I'm shaking you?
Yeah.
I'm holding you that way you won't. Ouch!
You let go of my arm.
I'll hold you to the gate. Yeah, like that. Alright, so what do you guys think?
Pretty cool.
Really cool. Alright, what you think? It's cool? Okay, I guess he said yes.
Driving.
He's driving. Like it's like a stranger.
Watching a video from Guava Juice.
You know what it looks like? When he talks to us, he doesn't talk to us because he looks like a stranger. Not talking to us. He looks like that. Hello?
He's driving.
I know. He's not a stranger. He's your dad. You okay? It's a choice. That's why you should get up. Should I save in the car? Check out these stores, guys. Try to get up. Alright, get up. So alright too. That looks like a Kia or something like this. Comment down below, guys. What'd you guys?
That's better. Sort of.
Yeah. Stand into the wall a little bit. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. Like put your legs right there. That way you can. You won't. That way you can.
I'm
Go.
not
Okay. Alright. So yeah, guys. My back is itching right now, but it's like blobs. It's like a pull everything. This car looks awesome! Imagine if this car stopped, I'll be so mad. So yeah, comment down below what you think looks cool. This looks awesome. What do you think? This This new car looks the best. I'm gonna do something real quick. Hey guys, so this is a nice car, and guess what? This is very awesome. Guys, this is gonna happen. My brother's chilling right now. Oh wow. This car looks awesome. This looks awesome. What's that? Oh, it's a car. Hey! Why'd you got there? You feel me? Oh, no, whoa. So what you got to right now, huh? You like each other? Oh, here it goes. I'm not that sure when it will stop the car, but I'm actually gonna hit him. Look at this. Oh shit! Sorry. Hey guys, so this is a kind of cool car, but we've been... Yeah, if you guys like this car, hit the like, right?
Yeah, hit the like. Oh, we are trapped.
Oh god, it's hold still, hold still. Yay! Good thing you didn't fail on me.
I'm holding on to right here.
Oh yeah, good. That's a good idea. This is kind of awesome. Alright, we're gonna be out here. We're gonna be out in this thing for right now, but when we get home, we're gonna see what that means. We're on the car. So it looks like this is like a nice car. Oh my gosh! Alright guys, we're done. So yeah, we're done. So good. Alright, so yeah guys. What do you think? Good? Look at me. Alright, can you get out? Alright, here. Actually, let me get out first.
I need to get my charger.
Oh, yeah. Get your charger first. Alright, here. Take the camera real quick. Okay, let's see. Come on, take the camera. Hold it. Hold it.
Let's see if he can get out. We'll just leave the seats like that for now.
Looks very good, guys. Oh my god. Let me just... Can't believe it, guys. This car looks epic, guys. This is the car. Very, very awesome. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.